Are your car headlights yellow or cloudy? Don't spend $100 at the detailing shop. Today, I'll show you a simple DIY method to restore them at home with just a few common household items. Imagine driving at night with clear, bright headlights that not only look great, but also ensure your safety on the road. Over time, exposure to UV rays and environmental grime causes your plastic headlights to oxidize, leaving them foggy and dull. This haze not only diminishes your car's appearance, but also reduces the brightness of your headlights, affecting visibility. This common issue makes your vehicle look older and can compromise your nighttime driving. I know how frustrating it can be when a simple fix seems elusive. First, let's gather what you need. Grab a tube of toothpaste or a small box of baking soda, a microfiber cloth, a spray bottle of warm water, and a clean towel. These items are usually available at home and are budget-friendly, making this an ideal solution for anyone looking to save time and money. The ingredients in your toothpaste act as a mild abrasive, gently polishing away the oxidized layer from your headlights. In cases of moderate oxidation, mixing baking soda with a bit of vinegar can create an effective cleaning paste. Begin by cleaning the headlight surface. Use warm water to spray the area and wipe away any dust, dirt, or loose debris with your microfiber cloth. It is crucial that the surface is free of contaminants before applying your cleaning solution. This step sets the stage for the restoration process, ensuring that the cleaning product works efficiently. Now, it's time to apply the cleaner. Take a small amount of toothpaste and gently rub it onto the headlight in small circular motions. Maintain light pressure and work in circles for about 2 to 3 minutes. You'll start to notice the cloudy layer breaking down as the mild abrasives polish the plastic surface. Keep your movements consistent and deliberate to achieve the best results. The transformation is both visible and satisfying. Once you have thoroughly polished the lens, rinse the headlight with warm water and then dry it completely with your towel. Almost instantly, your headlight begins to regain its clarity and shine. For extra protection and shine, consider applying a bit of car wax or UV protectant spray. This additional layer not only enhances the look, but also helps prevent future oxidation, preserving your headlight's brilliance. That's it. Bright, clear headlights in minutes. Embracing simple solutions empowers you to maintain your car without expensive professional help. Subscribe to Daily Skills AI for more car tech and AI hacks that save you time and money. Try this DIY method today and see the road more clearly tonight.